Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com. We are test driving today Range Rover Sport V6, which came in with a DPF issues, EGR problems. As you can see, we are test driving the car now. I'm going to ask the driver how was it driving before and how it is driving today. Okay, what can you say about your car?
It was originally, I've had the car for just over a year, so driving along, obviously it's a big heavy car, but it didn't have any urgency. There was no particular acceleration, which I didn't realise that was anything wrong until today that I've picked the car up, and now I can feel that there's a completely different power underneath my right foot. Not just that there is more power, but also it feels smoother, the delivery of the power.
Okay. Question, can you see black or white smoke?
There is no smoke, no, that I can see out the back.
Okay. Are you happy? I mean, there's a great difference, isn't it?
Yeah. And also the other thing is that on the dashboard, I'm looking at the MPG, where usually just coasting along that maybe average about 21, 22 if I was lucky, where immediately, and I am testing the car, so I am actually driving it slightly heavier, but even then I'm still getting 25, 26 average MPG.
Right.
So when I start to coast a little bit more in it, it's probably only going to get better.
Right. So I believe you are happy?
Happy man, happy
Okay,
man.
excellent. Okay. As I said before, you can reach us on 07533 636 with your DPF EGR turbo issues or any other problems on your vehicle. We are approved and certified diagnostic center. We are ATA master engineers. And thank you for watching this video. I'll be even happier if you could click on the like button. Thank you.